Why are self-initiated projects so important? Reason 1, acquire new skills. It's within these self-initiated projects that we can learn new skills, learn new methods, techniques, learn new tools that we've not yet been allowed to in our client projects. When we acquire these new skills and these new techniques, we can then use them in our client work, create better work, and be more desirable to work with as a creative. Reason 2, diversify your portfolio. It's within this tasting often and tasting new things and exploring new worlds that we can diversify our portfolio and broaden the spectrum of what we can offer. Long term, with tasting often, we can then see what we do and don't like and narrow our focus to niche down. Reason 3, fail forward. There's no outcome, there's no one waiting for a solution, there's no time frame. That relieves us of any pressure and just gets us into doing. We can create, we can fail forward, we can make mistakes, and there's no consequences. Reason 4, attract your dream client. If you have the courage to share your work online, you can end up attracting the client you've always dreamed of working for. You don't need to wait to be hired by the type of client you'd love to work for or for the type of project you'd love to be asked to do. Create that project now and showcase to the world how you think you can create a solution for that certain industry or client type. Reason 5, passion. Passion projects, self-initiated projects. This is where we get to do what we love. We can create anything. We can create exactly the things we're interested in. BMXing, UFC fighting, bands, festivals, clothing, TV, film. Whatever it is you're passionate about outside of your creative skills, bring that world into your creativity and have so much fun spending your free time creating things you've always wished you were creating. And back to reason 4, if you're willing to post that passion projects out, you may end up attracting your dream client. From my own experience, starting self-initiated projects or maintaining that consistency with self-initiated projects was always a struggle at the start because there was never a constraint. A typical client project gives us that constraint, the time frame, the deliverables, the name, the budget, all of these constraints that a typical client brief give you. That's where we find innovation and find creative ways of overcoming these obstacles. When given the freedom of a self-initiated project, that's when the paralysis by analysis sets in. We almost don't know how to start. I'd recommend creating your own constraints. The obvious one is obviously to create your own brief, but even then there can be resistance in terms of, well, what brief shall I create? What name should I come up with? What is the project? And that's where I found myself stuck. The best way I've initiated a self-initiated project is by creating a time constraint. It's the most easiest, everybody can do it. Creating a 30-minute timer, creating an hour timer to just throw myself into something and see what I can come up with. There's no pressure to refine, for it to be perfect. There's no expectation. This is an exercise now for you to learn more, do more, and find things you're passionate about and potentially attract the new clients. Self-initiated projects are phenomenal. When I first said I was starting them, a lot of people said, "You're stupid, what a waste of time, why are you doing stuff that doesn't make you money?" But it's led to me working with so many amazing people that I could never have dreamed of working with, thanks to these self-initiated projects. A self-initiated project will acquire new skills, diversify your portfolio, be able to fail forward, track your dream client, and work on the things you're passionate about, and that has to be something special. Hope you found this video useful. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you do self-initiated projects? Do you continue to actively create self-initiated projects alongside your client work? How have you found them beneficial in your work, in your creative projects, in your creative career? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.